For so long, investing in private companies was a lucrative universe reserved for the 1%. Unless you were a millionaire, you were locked out. And then, just a couple years ago, Congress decided to open up the doors, and now everyday investors can become successful angel investors. In some cases, you can start with just as little as $50. The angel investing and startup market has made billions for some of the wealthiest people in this world. And now it's your turn to do the same. My name is Neil Patel, and I've been an angel investor for over 10 years. I started my journey by picking up trash at a local theme park called Knott's Berry Farm. From there, I started my own tech companies, and as I gained experience, I started investing in other tech companies as an angel investor, and I've done well. And I want to share with you everything that I've learned. So click the link below to join the Startup Investor. A recent law means that you can now be the first person to invest in the next billion-dollar company. And I've set out to teach you how you can do just that. Why me? I've been doing this for over a decade, and I've made plenty of mistakes. I want you to learn from them and recognize that you now have access to the opportunities where 95% of tech investment income is made. Click the link below to sign up for a free online event where a special guest and I will explain everything for you.